Hey there, folks. Today we're going to talk about the amazing original A6S TWS headset wireless earphones, Bluetooth headphones, sports stereo phone, Bluetooth earbuds for Xiaomi Huawei iPhone. Now, I know what you're thinking, why do I need another pair of earbuds? Well, let me tell you, this one is truly something special. First of all, let's talk about the features. These earbuds are dust-proof and waterproof, so you can take them with you anywhere without worrying about damaging them. They have a double-eared split design, giving you the freedom to wear them however you like. And with automatic pairing, they're ready to go as soon as you take them out of the charging box. Plus, the one-button control makes it easy to manage your music and calls on the go. But the real game changer here is the Bluetooth 5.0 technology. It's faster and more stable than ever before, giving you a seamless wireless experience. And with true wireless Bluetooth, you can use each earbud separately for even more versatility. Not to mention, they're compatible with all Bluetooth devices, so you can use them with your phone, tablet, or laptop without a hitch. Now, let's talk specs. These earbuds come in a sleek black color and have a Bluetooth distance of 10 m. They only take 1 to 2 hours to charge and have a standby time of 80 hours, so you can use them all day long without worry. Plus, they have a built-in lithium battery and offer up to 3 hours of music time and 4 hours of talk time on a single charge. In the package, you'll get a pair of mini TWS earphones, a 280 mAh charging box, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. And the best part? They're available at an incredible price, so if you're in the market for a new pair of wireless earphones, look no further than the original A6S TWS headset. Trust me, you won't regret it. Click the link in the description to get yours today and experience the future of wireless audio. Don't miss out.